Hi everyone, I'm Momocat. Welcome to my channel. This video I'm gonna show you how to brighten up your look with pearls. Yeah, as you can see, what I'm wearing today is kind of low-key. Yeah, white shirt and jeans, very simple and very basic. So you might want to spice it up, right? And how do you do that? In my opinion, I would like to add some statement earrings, just like this one. Oops. So look at how pretty these pearl earrings are. And then they are worded with this yellow crystal. It's just so beautiful, and a little bit of glam with some nature, and all mixed together and one. Let me put them on. Okay. Another one. Done. Do I look good? Nice. Well, I have my shirts and jeans. Maybe you could have your t-shirt and jeans or a beautiful dress to go out and evening with. That's gorgeous. You know, when you go out with your friends, or you have a, or perhaps you have a day and you want to look fashionable, you can add this.